Wearing black is a statement. It's a color that styles, affirms, and designs. But today we're not talking about styling or, in fact, your interior house. We are talking about the Safari Dark Edition, the SUV that I have here today in a corner of a showroom in Pune. But I'm going to walk around and show you things that have changed with it. First impressions though, it looks like a symbol of rebellion and it does look quite a lot imposing. Welcome to PowerDrift and welcome to a walk around of the Tata Safari. You know, you've successfully made it to the era of zoomers when manufacturers start using hashtags for their variants. And that is what the Safari Dark Edition does as well. Hashtag dark on both sides of the fenders. What it also wears is this exclusive color called Oberon Black. Fun fact, Oberon, the person who inspires the name on the Safari Dark Edition, used to be the king of the fairies from the medieval period. Now, he was most importantly known for his part that he played in Shakespeare's play that was called A Midsummer's Night's Dream. Now, there aren't any fairies in today's day and age, but if you do happen to spot the Safari Dark Edition in your rearview mirror, it's not going to be a night's dream, but a nightmare, because it looks a lot more imposing. So everything here now receives a black treatment. The chrome on the grille is now all black. The headlamp surrounds are now all black. Everything is hashtag all black except the logo on the grille, the Tata logo. And that resembles the sort of thing going on with me as well, right? Everything is all black except my teeth when I put a smile on my face. No, I thought we had a thing going on here, man. Come on. Now, what the Tata Safari Dark Edition also introduces are black treatment for the 18 inches, and I have to say they really do look nice. However, I suspect they are prone to picking up a lot of marks, especially when you off-road with this. Yes, I know it does not get a four-wheel drive system, but when you do drive to places like Leh Ladakh and such hardcore destinations, these wheels might pick up a scratch or two. But that's it. Keeping that aside, the rest of the profile of this car does look very attractive. There is no chrome whatsoever, except that little hashtag dark badge on the side fender. Even this chrome treatment that the normal Safari gets is blacked out. Looks very menacing, very imposing. It is a similar story for the rear as well. Everything is black. I'm not really sure how black looks with this blacked out plastic trim that we used to like on the Safari. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. But again, the Safari insignia here on the tailgate, it does look very good on this black treatment. I wish we had better lighting, so this car would have looked a lot more better. But trust me, in person, out on the road, this is going to be one mean looking machine. Now, the question to be answered is, are the interiors on the Safari Dark Edition as impressive as the rest of the car? One word answered, yes, they are. Because the Safari Dark Edition introduces an all-new color treatment for the cabin. And guess what color it is? It is black. So what you get is this black treatment on the door cards. It is a leatherite effect material which has blue tri-arrow mofty design on it. And the same sort of design also has been carried forward to the seats as well. The seats go one step ahead by offering blue stitching on the side. It does look a lot more premium than what it does on the normal Safari with the oyster white interiors and the beige interiors on the Adventure Persona. This is also a lot more better, and if you're asking why, because this is a lot more easier to clean and live with, especially if you have kids or maybe pets. What the Safari Dark Edition also gets is this new dashboard trim that replaces the wooden trim that we've seen with the standard Safari. Goes with the rest of the cabin, I must say. Also, hashtag dark written on the front headrests, just in case you forget why is it so hot in here, or just in case you forget where have you spent those extra 20 to 70,000 bucks. Where have you spent it? On a car that looks this cool. So what do we at PowerDrift think of the Safari Dark Edition? Well, this is a machine that you would want to drive through the darkness of the night. It's made for people who ditch black only when there's a darker color. Because once you go black, you cannot go back. Isn't that right? So what do you think of the Safari Dark Edition? Do let us know in the comments below, and make sure you like, share and subscribe this video. Until next time, take care guys.